Hello guys, and welcome to my brand new channel, Shade. Today we're going to talk about Photoshop and most of the basic tools people use every day to edit photos. Photoshop is a raster image editing software. Raster images are made out of pixels, sometimes also called bitmap images. The main use of Photoshop is editing photos, basically. Most people use it for editing, resizing, could be other minor or major adjustment to a photo. Also, it can be used for photo manipulation. You can also use Photoshop to apply some simple tweaks to a photo, such as changing the contrast, brightness, levels, color, desaturation, etc. It can also be used to remove blemishes on a photo, or removing stuff or person from a photo too. It could be extensive to retouching. It could even involve something like photo restoration. If you don't know what photo restoration is, it's pretty much changing the appearance of a digital copy of a physical photograph which has been damaged by natural, man-made, or environmental cause. Alright, let's talk about the tools that are located on the left side of the software. First, we're going to start with Move Tool. The Move tool can be used to drag an entire single layer or more if they're selected. Under the Move tool is a Marquee tool. Marquee tool is a tool that can be used to make selection that is single row, single column, rectangular, or elliptical. All these options can be found by holding the mouse on the rectangular Marquee tool and just dragging it down. Next up is Lasso tool. The Lasso tool is similar to the Marquee tool. However, you can make a custom selection by drawing it freehand. There are three options for the Lasso tool: regular, polygonal, and magnetic. The regular Lasso tool allows the user to have drawing capabilities. Photoshop will complete the selection once the mouse button is released. You can also complete the selection by connecting the endpoint to the starting point. The marching ants will indicate if a selection has been made. The polygonal lasso tool will draw only straight lines, which makes it an ideal choice for images with many straight lines. The magnetic lasso tool is considered the smart tool. It can do the same as the other two, but it can also detect the edges of an image once the user selects its starting point. Down below is Magic Wand tool and Quick Selection tool. Magic Wand tool selects areas based on pixels of similar values or color. The quick selection is basically the same as Magic Wand, but it has better results and better controls. Under that is Crop tool. The Crop tool can be used to select a particular area of an image and discard the portion outside the chosen selection. Inside the Crop tool is Perspective Crop tool, which can be used to fix image distortion and perspective problems easily. The Slice and Slice Select tools also can be found inside the Crop tool. Like the Crop tool, both of them are used in isolating parts of images. Right below it is Eyedropper tool. Eyedropper tool selects a color from an area of the image that is clicked and samples it for future use. Also, inside the eyedropper tool, there is 3D material eyedropper tool, color sample tool, ruler tool, node tool, and count tool. Next up is Spot Healing Brush tool. Also, Healing Brush tool, Patch tool, Content Aware tool, and Red Eye tool can be found inside. All of them are used for photo retouching. Right below is Brush tool, Pencil tool, Color Replacement tool, Mix and Mixer Brush tool. All of them are used for drawings. Right under is Clone Stamp tool and Pattern Stamp tool. Both of them are used to pretty much clone part of an image. I'll skip History Brush tool and Art History Brush tool. Next is Eraser tool, Background Eraser tool, and Magic Eraser tool. All of them are pretty much used to erase part of an image. Right below is Gradient tool, Paint Bucket tool, and 3D Material Drop tool. The Gradient tool is used to pretty much create gradients, and Paint Bucket tool is to paint as plain color. We'll skip Dodge tool, Burn tool, and Sponge tool. Let's get to Pen tool. The pen tool can be used to draw pretty much anything you want. Also, it can be used to make selections. The pen tool is a very helpful tool. Right below is Type tool. They have a horizontal type tool and vertical type tool. Both of them can be used to insert text horizontally or vertically. Right below is Path Selection tool and Direct Selection tool. Both of them can be used to select items. Under Path Selection tool is Shape tool. They have a rectangular tool, rounded rectangular tool, ellipse tool, polygonal tool, line tool, and custom shape tool. You can make any shape out of the custom shape tool. Right below is hand tool and rotate view tool. Hand tool can be used to navigate through different part of the image. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe for more.